Good day, everyone. I am Steven Mendoza Vargas, and I will be discussing all about GMOs, how they started, they are safe, some examples, their use, and the issue about them. What is a GMO? Well, GMO means genetically modified organism or GMO, which means are living things like plants, animals, or bacteria whose DNA has been changing using science. In simple terms, scientists change or edit the genes of the organism to give it better traits. Now, let's look at the history of GMOs. It all started in the 1970s when scientists began studying how DNA works. Do you know this too? Yes, it's Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen. They found a way to combine DNA from different organisms. This is called recombinant DNA technology, and it became the foundation of GMOs. Did you know this food? Yes, it's tomato. But did you know that this tomato was the first GMO food in 1994? It's called Flavor Savior Tomato, was approved for human consumption. And this is the another example. This is according to the International Service of Acquisition of Agri-Biotech Application. The one example is BT corn. It's modified to protect itself from insect, so farmers don't need to use too many pesticides. Another example of Roundup Ready soybeans. This can be served by herbicide, which helps farmers control weeds easily. Next, let's discuss the safety of GMOs. Many scientific studies have shown that GMO currently available in the market are generally safe to eat. Before being approved, GMO products undergo strict testing to evaluate possible health risks, including allergy, toxicity, and nutritional changes. Organizations like the World Health Organization and the Food and Agriculture Organization confirm that approved GMO foods are safe for human consumption based on available evidence. So, what are the potential applications of these GMOs? In agriculture, genetically modified crops help increase food production by making them more resistant to pests, diseases, and environmental stress such as drought. This allows farmers to produce more food using fewer resources, which is important to addressing global hunger. Furthermore, in medicine, GMOs are used to produce life-saving products such as insulin, vaccine, and other pharmaceutical drugs. Genetically modified organisms make it possible to produce this medicine more efficiently and in large quantities. But there is a risk and controversy in GMOs. There is still concern about how they may affect people. Some individuals worry about possible long-term health effects. Although current studies show approved GMO are generally safe, there are also social and economic issues such as large companies controlling GMO seeds, which can make farmers dependent on them and affect their income. In addition, consumers often raise concern about proper labeling as they want the right to choose what food they eat. According to the National Academy of Science, this concern highlight the importance of proper regulation, transparency, and continuous research to ensure that GMOs remain safe and beneficial for everyone. To conclude, GMOs are important scientific advancement that offers many benefits in agriculture, medicine, and environment protection. However, it is also important to carefully study their risks and ensure they are used responsibly. With proper regulation and continued research, GMOs can play a big role in improving our future. Thank you for watching, and I hope that in this 3 to 5 minute presentation, you gained a clear understanding of GMOs and their importance in our world today. Once again, thank you and have a great day.